definitely try to go, through a school or apprenticeship, or like me, I got my degree from ECC.
I went to school at Alfred State, graduated from there in their diesel tech program.
It's been going good, pretty fun, pretty steady work.
Pretty much anything they need help around here with.
Like right now, I'm working on a R&R engine, pulling out, put it back in, new one.
Anything on the diesel buses all the way to the electric buses.
Payroll, I'm a storeroom clerk, close work orders. I do the payroll for the mechanics. It's a consistent job. It's always evolving.
When I first started, I didn't know a lot. I always asked them anything I didn't know.
Yeah, if you don't know, they'll come over. They'll try and tell you what to do so you can figure it out on your own first. And if you really can't, then I'm more than happy to come over and show you. So
you get to know different people and get to see different things.
No one knows everything, so you're gonna learn as you go anyways, regardless.
You'll learn a lot, I'll tell you that.
And you can always advance into different parts of the company.
Yes, I definitely recommend working.
Oh, absolutely, 100%.
I've been here 27 years and I'm still smiling.